Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Torrone Nougat using an easy method. We will start by gathering all our ingredients and preparing our workspace. This approach simplifies the traditional process, making it achievable for anyone wanting to create this delightful confection. Get ready to enjoy a sweet treat with minimal fuss and maximum flavor, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. Next, we focus on the crucial syrup. Combine your honey and sugar in a sturdy saucepan, heating it gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, using a reliable candy thermometer, carefully cook this mixture to precisely 280 degrees Fahrenheit. This exact temperature is key to achieving the perfect chewy consistency for your Torrone, ensuring a delightful bite every time. Now for the magic. While your egg whites are whipped to stiff peaks, slowly drizzle the hot syrup into them with the mixer running on low. This gradual addition is vital. Continue beating the mixture for about 15 minutes. It will transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly sticky nougat. Finally, fold in your toasted nuts, like 150 grams of almonds. Almost there. Press the warm, sticky nougat firmly into your prepared 9x13-inch pan, ensuring it's lined with edible rice paper. Smooth the top surface evenly, then cover it with another sheet of rice paper. Now, the hardest part, patience. Let your Torrone cool and set completely for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, before cutting into delightful pieces. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.